Good morning. We are looking off onto the I-94 and University interchange here this morning. We're looking at conditions that are going to be a little more slick again for your morning drive because we just got a fresh coating of snow in Fargo, as we see on the ground there, and also throughout the valley. Many of us have seen some snow since last night and still are picking it up. So please be careful as you're getting ready to hit the road here this morning and give yourself plenty of time. As usual, when we have these events, that's important. Checking out your radar and satellite map right now, you can see that we're looking at some snow showers. Basically, Highway 2 and points south of there are going to be the best bet for picking up some snow here today. And as we zoom in on this area, you can see that we've got some snow down around the Hankinson area, Lidgerwood, down into the Sisseton region, Fargo, kind of in between areas. We're still seeing some flurries flying around. And then up toward Ada, seeing some snow there too, impacting us in Norman County, back into Mahnomen County here this morning. So conditions that are still looking a little bit on the snowy side here to start off the day today in the Southern Valley, but it's been dwindling. We'll take a more wide view of what's going on out there right now. You can see the more substantial snow east of us into Minnesota, back over into northern Wisconsin, and then we've just kind of had the lingering snow showers impacting us here this morning. So here's a look at our visibility. We're down where the snow is, and you can see that we've got some reports that are a little lower, 1 to 3 miles. Fergus Falls, Wadena, both reporting a 1.75 mile visibility, 2 miles in Fosston. Down in Wahpeton, we're at 2.5 miles. So some lower visibility in some of these areas. Wind is not too strong, 5 to 15 miles per hour out of the east. And your temperatures are into the single digits below 0 up north. We're at 6 below in Langdon. And then right at 0 in Fargo. We're looking at 5, or rather in Grand Forks, and we have 5 in Fargo. 7 is our warm spot in Wahpeton. This is a big difference from yesterday where we were into the double digits below 0. So nice and milder, we'll say, even though it's still quite cold out there. And when you factor in that little bit of wind, we're looking at wind chills that are into the single digits to some teens below 0, even 21 below right now in the Langdon area. So some cold conditions impacting us here this morning, but not nearly as frigid as yesterday. Here's a look at that hour by hour planner. We're going to watch that snow start to move on here down in southeastern parts of our viewing area. That's where it will linger longest, and then gradually it just kind of clears to the east, and we're looking at quieting conditions and clearing skies as we continue through the day today. Heading into the 9 o'clock hour, we've got some temperatures that are going to be more into that 0-degree range still, but we're building off of that, and we're going to see some numbers above 0 here by noon for most of us, and then into the afternoon, maybe a few places getting into the double digits above, and I think that's going to feel a lot better. That's a good 20 degrees warmer in some places than it was the last couple of days for your afternoon readings. So we're looking at some milder weather here coming up. Heading into the evening hours, we'll see those temperatures slide a little bit, and with some sunny skies today, and then tonight still looking clear. And then here comes the next round, another round of this light snow during the overnight hours and into the early morning. This is again late tonight. This is 11 o'clock, and then we start to see this move in around midnight and beyond into the valley. So by the time we're heading into the 5 o'clock hour tomorrow morning around this time, we've got some ongoing snow impacting us at that point in time. Light snow, but still it'll be out there, and it'll be working its way through the morning hours and into the I would say about noon. We would see things start to dwindle in our eastern viewing area at that point in time. So we're looking at maybe 1 inch, 2 inches of snow with that round again too, so similar to this one. Temperatures on Friday, working our way back into some teens and 20s, so warming things up on Friday, but it's short-lived. We've got another cold snap coming up for Saturday. Frigid conditions with temperatures that are below 0, and Sunday morning is going to be another cold one before we start to warm up a little. We're not going to see a huge surge in temperatures heading into next week, but it's just nice to see some positive numbers on the 7-day planner for your highs, though, especially after we have that second cold snap on Saturday.
Exactly. Thank you, Lisa.
Coming up on the Valley today, how you can help area patients who are battling cancer. Stay with us.